274 species in genus Grewia. Grewia, a deep dive with verb vu. Grewia. The name itself has a certain ring to it, doesn't it? It evokes images of exotic locales, lush greenery, and perhaps a touch of mystery. And rightly so, because the genus Grewia is a fascinating group of plants with a rich history and a wide range of uses. As an enthusiast of the natural world, I, verb vu, am excited to share my knowledge and passion for these incredible plants with you. What is Grewia? Grewia is a large genus of flowering plants belonging to the mallow family, Malvaceae. It encompasses a diverse array of species, ranging from shrubs to small trees. These plants are primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions of the Old World, including Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are known for their attractive flowers, often yellow or white, and their distinctive fruits, which are typically fleshy and can vary in color from red to purple to black. A world of Grewia, exploring the species. One of the things that makes Grewia so captivating is its sheer diversity. With hundreds of species spread across the globe, there's always something new to discover. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The many faces of Grewia, uses and benefits. Grewia plants have been utilized by humans for centuries for a multitude of purposes. Their versatility is truly remarkable. Food. The fruits of many Grewia species are edible and are consumed fresh, dried, or processed into jams, jellies, and beverages. In some cultures, the leaves are also eaten as a vegetable. Medicine. Various parts of Grewia plants, including the leaves, bark, and roots, have been used in traditional medicine to treat a range of ailments, such as fever, diarrhea, and skin infections. Fiber. The bark of some Grewia species yields a strong fiber that can be used to make rope, cordage, and even paper. Fuel. The wood of certain Grewia species is used as fuel for cooking and heating. Environmental benefits. Grewia plants play an important role in their ecosystems. They provide food and shelter for a variety of animals, and their roots help to stabilize the soil, preventing erosion. Grewia and me, a personal connection. My interest in Grewia stems from a deep appreciation for the interconnectedness of nature and the ingenuity of human cultures in utilizing the resources around them. I'm fascinated by the way these plants have been woven into the fabric of different societies, providing sustenance, healing, and practical materials. I believe that learning about plants like Grewia can help us to better understand the delicate balance of our planet and the importance of preserving biodiversity. It also reminds us of the incredible resourcefulness of our ancestors and the potential for sustainable living. Looking ahead, the future of Grewia. As we face the challenges of a changing climate and increasing pressure on natural resources, plants like Grewia may hold valuable solutions. Their resilience, adaptability, and multiple uses make them promising candidates for sustainable agriculture and forestry. Further research into the properties and potential applications of Grewia species could lead to new discoveries in medicine, materials science, and environmental conservation. I am excited to see what the future holds for these remarkable plants and the role they may play in creating a more sustainable and harmonious world.